Well, guys, I know I just posted a video, but National Hurricane Center updated it 100%, 100%. So by 9 p.m., they're pretty much, it's certain now. It's going to be either tropical storm or tropical depression. So National Hurricane Center, the recon or the hurricane hunter thingy, just went there and it just came back, obviously, and then they just updated it, and they said it's gonna be 100. It's 100% chance that it's forming right now, the next 24 hours to the next 5 days. So really quick, I want to read what they're saying. So, data from the Air Force Hurricane Hunters and satellite images indicate that the low pressure system located just off the coast of east central Florida has become better defined today. In addition, the associated showers, if distance continues, otherwise will likely be initiated in the system as a tropical or subtropical depression later today. Later in the year, the system is expected to move near east. So by 9 p.m., it's pretty much going to be a tropical or subtropical depression. In addition, blah blah blah. And there's going to be another Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter that's going to be sent there this evening to see if potentially it's gotten to a tropical storm. So yeah, they finally updated it to 100% chance, and now we're watching here for some potential landfall in this area. So this is what we've got going on. I'm gonna show you guys all the information from the recon. So see you guys when I get that tab open. Alright, so here is all the info that the recon gathered. So pretty much here it is. So this is the track it went from. And they found two low pressure points, right here, and then there's one right here. And now it's heading back home. As you can see, I actually live right here, so system's pretty close to me right now. And it's a well-defined area now, according. So those are the 2 points of low pressure that were found. So the highest winds were found here and down here, with about like 30 to 40 miles per hour in those two areas. Here we got actually like 40 miles per hour, same down here. And then near the center of the storm, you were at around 20 to 30 miles per hour. So this is definitely a tropical depression by now. The winds aren't that high, but it's definitely a tropical depression. If we look at the millibars at the end, they had 1,007 millibars, so that's pretty high. The rain is not that strong either, but there's some pretty strong rain. A couple points. So this is what pretty much I'm gonna leave that really quick if you want to take a quick look. But recon pretty much, yeah, they found the center. Then they're going back there this evening. So by this evening, when they go back there, it should most likely be upgraded to a tropical storm. Huh? There's only Invest 9DL now. Interesting. Okay. So looking at other stuff, this hasn't changed too much. We're still a potential tropical storm in the next 48 hours. One of the models showing not COT is not showing a tropical storm form, and this model is the one that shows it going straight to the left. So that model is not showing any tropical storm form. But if you look at the cone now, most like 50% of the models are agreeing for landfall in the Carolinas, probably North Carolina. So that's not too good, but it'll most likely make landfall as a tropical storm. Satellite imagery, like I said, it's looking much better in those later frames. Like, guys, look at this. It's really gotten its act together. It's gotten much bigger. I really like looking at it this way. Like, you can really see the storm once it loads. If it's low, but it's gotten much better. There's kind of like two well-defined low pressure areas that are kind of like combining together, and it's, as you can see, it's breaking away from the entire warm front that was attached to it, which is the key to make this a tropical development. So really, the system's looking much better now. Forecast models are showing most of them are showing a tropical storm landfall in the North Carolinas. So that's not too good, but see, yeah, most of them showing a tropical storm landfall in the North Carolinas. Otherwise, yeah, the National Hurricane Center is upgraded to 100%, which is really crazy, guys. I really didn't expect that. And pretty much, if you look from this, here's pretty much the track. All right. and it kind of like turns like that for some reason. Um, so it's interesting to see. So basically, this is what it's gonna go. It's gonna start here, okay? Go like this, make landfall, and then kind of just go like this. So kinda, if you think about it, it's gonna be interesting, guys. It's gonna be similar. It looks like every single year there's an asteroid always inspects North Carolina. Also, there's another potential for a tropical storm to form near the Bahamas. I made a video on that a couple minutes ago, so if you guys want to check that out, subscribe, notification bell, so that you guys get all the tropic updates that you need, so you don't miss when a hurricane's coming to your way. But this is what we've got. Um, Otherwise, there's not much else to talk about. The system's getting itself too organized. It's probably going to be a 100% chance it's going to be a tropical depression um, in the next 24 hours. And if we look at Wendy, I mean, what is it called? Um, if we look at like Mike's weather page, we can see some data as well here. Um, Here are some of the plots for Invest 90. So, like I was saying, lots of them are now showing a landfall in the North Carolinas. What else did I want to show you guys? We can clearly see the rotation right here starting to happen. Lots of showers coming in Melbourne. We can clearly see the rotation. The storm is actually it's a well-defined low pressure area, and the wind shear has gotten a lot better, which is improving for the storm to form and get its act together, which we've been waiting for a while right now, so that for the storm to get its act together, and it looks like it's finally starting to do something. So it's gonna be another year in a row, 6th year in a row with a storm before May. Honestly, I think they should change the start of the season to like the 15th of May or like the 20th of May or something, because most storm form around that time. But anyways, thanks for watching. 100% chance, pretty crazy stuff. If we click on it, why? It's 100% chance. Why can I not click? See? But anyways, guys, 100%. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one for some more tropical weather update. And that's it.